In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share public templates in Clickup. Whether you're working on a team project or organizing your personal tasks, using templates can significantly streamline your workflow. In this tutorial, we'll go through each step with clarity and provide tips to ensure you can easily create and share your templates. To begin, we'll start by creating the template you want to use. This could be anything from a list or a task to a doc or even a dashboard, depending on your needs. When setting up your structure, make sure to include all necessary elements such as tasks, subtasks, checklists, views, or any documents that support your workflow. The idea is to make sure that the template includes everything that will help replicate your process efficiently. Once you've set up the structure, it's time to save it as a template. To do this, navigate to the settings of the item you want to use as a template. You'll typically find this option by clicking on the three dots, often found on the right-hand side of a list or task. After clicking these dots, select Save as Template. This action stores your current setup, so it's ready to be reused whenever it's needed. Now, a crucial step in the process is enabling public sharing. When you save your new template, a modal or dialog box will appear. Here, you'll need to give your template a name that clearly indicates its purpose. Make sure to toggle on the Public Sharing option during this process. Doing so will allow others to access and use your template. You also have the option to add a description or certain tags, which can help in organizing and identifying the template later on. Once you've completed these actions, hit Save. Next, to share your meticulously crafted template, navigate to the Template Center within your Clickup workspace. Locate the template you just saved. It should be in the list of your available templates. Click on the template to open it. In the Details section of the template, there will be a Share button. Click on this, and you'll find an option to Copy Link. This link is your key to sharing the template with others. With the link copied, you can now share it with anyone who would benefit from using your template in their own Clickup workspace. When they receive the link, they can paste it into their browser, which will automatically open the template in Clickup. From there, they'll have the option to add the template to their own workspace. Finally, the recipient will be prompted to choose which workspace they want to add the template to. They also have the flexibility to rename the template and decide if they want to save it to their template center or just apply it to a specific location. They can even adjust the sharing settings to fit their own needs within their workspace. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily create, share, and make the most of public templates in Clickup, enhancing both your personal and collaborative productivity. Happy templating